You, in a way, you play a role of a detective. You have certain information that's coming to you, and you kind of dissect that information and figure out if it makes sense or not. So talk to us about red flags that you've seen in the past, or any items that has kind of maybe it's either the broker or the seller that are either omitting, or there might be doctoring to get better results. Talk to us about those kind of red flags that you look out for, and items you've seen in the past.
Yeah, for sure. So some of the things I look for is what is the breakdown of 1 bedrooms versus 2 bedrooms in a property, especially like an older property. Just from my experience, pushing rents on a 1 bedroom, especially when they're smaller, is pretty difficult. So that's a big red flag for me in terms of like upward rent growth on a 1 bedroom unit if you're going to renovate. Another sort of red flag is just overall just cost. I sometimes, look at some of these on a dollar per square foot and unit cost, and obviously with the price of lumber, replacement cost is going up. But sometimes I just do a little sanity check on that end, and that's on. And then on terms of like the broker package, some things to look out for that I see is they'll have a pro forma with water savings on it, but then also give you credit for like income and reducing expense. So almost in a way like double counting that. So there's some interesting ways that they're trying to bump up income, but I don't really look at their pro forma much because I know they're trying to sell something. It doesn't really matter as much, but those are just some things to keep an eye out on. I think the biggest, especially on the value, is in my opinion, is the size of the units and the mix of the 1 and 2 bedrooms.